Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me. This is in my personal planner. This one is the one that I use for my business, Stampin' Up, and also for YouTube. So we're going to be planning the week of February 5th through 11th. And next week will be Valentine's Day. How about that? So I got this cute kit and I've had it in my stash for quite a while. It is Chim Chimney Teeny's Weekly Kit from Adorably Amy. And it is it is a Mary Poppins. I'm like, why can't I think of the name of her? And I thought it was really cute. And I'm kind of ready. I'm going to do a winter theme in my other planner, but I kind of thought I was ready to switch and do something else that wasn't quite wintry for this planner. Actually, I'm kind of ready for it in both, but I just have a really cute planner kit that I want to use in my weekly. So that's what I will do. So this is an Adorably Amy kit, and I actually love her kits for my planner. They seem to work out very well. The only thing that's missing is some washi. I forgot. That's the only thing that's missing in this planner. And let me just get some washi here. I just like to put some washi down the middle. And I think I'm just going to go with this yellow polka dot. And I just need 2 little stripes, one on each side. Hard to find the end of it. And then when I do, I messed it up. Oh well, that's okay. I'll just cut it off. So there is that page. Making sure it looks straight enough. And since I went all the way up on that one, I'm going to just go all the way up on this side too. And I'll just trim these off. Looks like I trimmed something off before and didn't get it off my scissors. It was stuck pretty good. No wonder I missed it. Okay, so now that we've got that important part done, we can go on. So I'm going to put my weekly goals up here on this side in the notes section. And I'm going to put my weekend sticker down here on Saturday. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start putting a to-do and a today on each side of these, opposite, and then one of these lists so that I can list things that I have going on each day. So I'm going to put these down first. I've almost forgotten how to use her kits. It's been a little bit since I used them, and I used to just almost use them exclusively. And I do love them because they really do kind of fit my planner perfectly. And I seem to have gotten some more subbies lately, so thank you guys so very much for joining. I hope that you guys are enjoying my channel. I enjoy making videos for you guys, and I really do like my Plan With Me videos. This is what got me started in YouTube. I never ever thought that I was going to do anything like this. I never ever would have dreamt of it. And then someone asked for a walkthrough of my planner, and that's what started it. And because the only way I knew to do it so that she could see it was if I put it on YouTube. And thinking about it now, I even think that was her suggestion. Like, could you put it on YouTube? And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do that. But, you know, I like challenges, and I didn't really think that I would be any good at talking in front of people and all of that, because it's not my thing. I'm really more of an introvert, at least until you get to know me. But I love this, and I feel like you guys are my friends, and I feel like we are just sitting here, you're sitting here with me having coffee, and I'm just chatting away. So if I don't have coffee this morning, I only have my water. And today is Saturday morning. This is later than I usually like to do these, but my weeks have been kind of discombobulated with being off of work and stuff, so I know you guys will forgive me. I'll get this up in time, so it will be all right. Okay, so then now I'm going to use these cute stickers on the other sides. And I think I want to start with this Chim Chim Cheree one. Chim Chimney, Chim Chimney, Chim Chim Cheree. And then they give you just enough of these. I forgot about that. This is awesome. I do love these kits. That you can do like a cutesy one, like, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I already used the 7th one, didn't I? Oh, yeah, right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the full boxes. So I use I use one of those, the weekly goals, on this one, and then did I do that wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did. I need to move this one from here because otherwise I won't have enough. So I'll put this one down here on Wednesday, I suppose. But like I can do like a cutesy one and then a plain one, and then a cutesy one and then a plain one, and I just go back and forth like that usually on my planner. It's been too long since I've used her kits. So then this one is cutesy plain, cutesy plain. And these are pretty much just for decoration, the ones that I put on over here. I mean, I can write in them. It's no biggie. I just don't have a ton to write in this planner. I just write a couple of things, and it helps keep me organized. Hope I need to go down just a little bit so I'm not covering up my Friday. And then one more. Oh, and that's right. This is what I would do. I would put these in this box. Off my game a little bit. And I'm going to use this little payday sticker. I'm going to put that on Friday because usually that's when I get paid from Stampin' Up. And here's a Happy Meal sticker. I'm going to put that one on, I think I'll put it, you know what? I'm thinking I'm going to put it on Wednesday because I think I want to get some Happy Meal out to my daughter Wednesday. And then I have birthdays and stuff. I don't even know if I have a birthday. It doesn't matter because I don't usually keep track of any of that in this planner. And I don't always put the little cutesy guys out, but I am definitely going to this time because I mean, otherwise you can't really tell that it's Mary Poppins too much. But these little guys are definitely going to do the trick. So I'm going to put them around. I might even put some in these stickers. So there's him. Excuse me. And she captured some really cute moments of Mary Poppins. I loved the scene where they're on the carousel. And then I also love the penguin scenes. And here's the penguins here. So that's really great. And then here are the boy and the girl. Of course, I don't remember their names. Hansel and Gretel. I'm bad. We'll put a penguin there. And maybe a penguin here. And we'll just put some butterflies around too. Why not? I don't want that one there. I want them here. And that is all of them. So that's really cute. And then let's go ahead and put some things in that I know I need to get done. I'm going to put comments. And I'm going to put Valentine cards because I haven't finished those yet. And I hopefully will get those done this weekend, but just in case, I'll put them here. I'd like to do a Dollar Tree project. End of month. I need to do some thank yous. And that's all that I can think of right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write comments every other day. And I have not watched a lot of YouTube, so I apologize if I have missed some of your videos. I do need to get back in track of that, so I'm going to put watch YouTube. I don't think there's any way I'm going to catch up. But, and the YouTube that I have watched, I've been watching in the living room on the big TV, which means I can't comment on your videos. So if you haven't gotten responses or comments, not responses, but comments on some of your videos, that's why. So I do hope to do a better job of that. And let's see, I'm going to put, I'll put my end of month stuff up here, I think. And then I need to do a care package for Katie, my daughter. She's in college. And I need to do some thank yous. And I think I'll put Dollar Tree here. And I need to do some Stampin' Up! Cards. Okay, so I think that's probably enough for this week. Hopefully I'll get it all done. I don't know yet, but we shall see. I'm going to keep these. I am not going to use them yet, but I usually give them to a friend, so I don't use them in this planner, but you know, they're still good and usable and cute. So, and these colors are really cute. So, my space over here is getting crazy. I'm going to need to organize that again here soon too, but I'm not today. Not today. I will just go on with this. And this is what my next week will look like. Super cute and productive. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a great week and happy planning. Bye-bye.